additional things can I do? For example, I have a friend who is a clinician by training, getting into data science. Amazing, and I love that piece. But the question you need to ask yourself is, what is the value of this data science that you are learning in the clinical space? What data points do we need to know? Why would a hospital love to have a clinician who understands data modeling, data analysis? Either you're the data engineer helping them see the touch points and the pain points in their service stream, service flow, new customer acquisition, or whatever it is. Also, or maybe you're analyzing their performance to see what are the lags in their system that makes maybe clinical lab work data getting to the patients at a slower rate. Those are the key pinpoints. Maybe financial flows. Why are they not making money in certain services yet they're offering them? And how can they improve on it? What were customers talking about them? Now you are seeing the additional skill. You have the clinical knowledge, therefore you understand the value chain in the healthcare system. But then with the additional data knowledge that you have, you can put it to use by knowing what key metrics should be monitored in a healthcare clinical setting. And by you having that additional understanding and knowledge, then you can add value to that ecosystem. Now you are indispensable because you not only have the technical domain knowledge that is the foundation, the baseline, but you've built on it with clarity on what is it that you are working towards. And over time, as you keep learning and you're refining it, and don't argue for the technical knowledge that you have on this other side, only from, let's say, for example, you're the clinician, now you have the data analytics skills and data skills and data generation, whatever data science skills that you have. Don't talk about data science and leave it at data science. Don't talk about clinical skills and leave it at clinical skills. How can you link them so that the data skills that you have are an additional add-on and a selling proposition for your clinical knowledge and clinical domain? And how does that deliver value to a hospital that wants to employ you, to an organization that actually is keen on recruiting you and consulting you to support them in optimizing their digital data systems? That is value proposition. And if you do it over and over and over, you become the specialist, the unique go-to person in that domain. And if you become the go-to domain, you'll make money doing it. You'll get satisfaction because it's something that you enjoy doing, something that you love. And therefore, you're able to create opportunities where there were none or there was perceived to be no opportunity at that particular moment. That is the power of marginal gains in your personal professional development, but also in your financial investments and compounding it over time. I hope this challenges you, but also opens your mind to possibilities as you shape your professional and personal life in this year 2025. Thank you. Have a good one.